Can you see the whiteboard? Can you see the whiteboard? Okay. So let's start first differentiation. And, we'll understand first what is differentiation. So, you know, function. First of all, we take a little bit in brief because obviously we differentiate the function. So let us know what is it. Differentiation. Let us understand what is it. So let a function y is equal to fx. What it mean? I'm explaining you what it mean. As you know, area of circle. Let us take an example to understand it well. Area of circle is equal to pi r square, and obvious this area depends on r, right? Then we can say a is a function of r because a depends on r. In similar way, we can say y is the function of x because value of y depends on x. Okay. Now, what it mean by differentiation? Now, let us understand it well. Differentiation of y with respect to x means if we change if we change in x, there will be also change in y. Then rate of change of y with respect to x is differentiation of y with respect to x. Okay. So this is the differentiation. Means if we make change in x, then also y will be changed. Then the rate of change of y with respect to x means because of means the rate of change of y because of x, that is differentiation of y. Okay. Now let us understand how to differentiate a function. And for the means about the symbols we'll use in differential equations further. Okay. So let us understand first of all formulas, and we do means example along with each formula. First is
Hello,
yeah, tell.
ma'am.
Can you hear me?
I know the basic. Yes, ma'am. I'm clear with
Okay.
basic differentiation. Uh, I have doubts, and I basically know methods of differentiation, but I'm not very clear with it. Can we start from
Uh,
methods of differentiation from chain rule and all?
okay. So you want to learn chain rule?
Chain rule and other methods for differentiation.
Okay, like parametric by using parametric,
Yeah, yeah, ma'am.
right?
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So first of all, you need to learn chain rule or either parametric.
One start from method of differentiation from very basic. I know that differentiation of x square is x and log x and all. I know that, but the questions from methods of differentiation is very like weak for my part. Hello.
Like you know product rule, quotient rule.
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay, and even chain rule, or shall I explain you?
Ma'am, I'm bit clear with my chain rule, but I'm not very strong with it. So can we start from there?
Oh, okay, okay. Okay,
Sure,
so
ma'am.
let us
Thank you.
understand this chain rule well. Okay, just a second. So let us understand this by using an example like we have y is equal to like log sine e to the power 5x. Then how we'll differentiate it? Such kind of question you want to know, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So we'll do this question by using chain rule. What it mean? So we need to find dy over dx. So you know very well how to find it. Then let us differentiate log sine e to the power 5x. So first of all, we'll use formula of this first function log. Okay, this log. So log differentiation of log is one of log x is 1 upon x, but instead of x we have this function. So obviously instead of x we'll use this. So 1 upon sine e to the power 5x. Now we'll differentiate by multiplying this function. This function d upon dx of sine e to the power 5x. Now we'll use further formula of sin x. So dy over dx is equal to 1 upon sine e to the power 5x into, we are doing differentiation of sine into sine e to the power 5x. Okay, so differentiation of sine is cos and take the same angle. Okay, we have angle e to the power 5x. If you have any problem, any doubt, then you can ask. I'll explain you again. Okay,
Sure, ma'am.
now we need to we now just multiply the differentiation of this e to the power 5x. Okay,
So, ma'am, every time we see differentiation, we have to start from outermost function to innermost function.
yes, yes,
Okay.
exactly. Then now we have cos e to the power 5x over sine into e to the power 5x into e to the power 5x means, you know, differentiation of e to the power x is e to the power x, but still we have instead of x we have 5x, so still we need to differentiate this 5x also. Got it? So we have here 5, derivative of 5x is 5, you know, 5, and cos over sine having same angle, we have cot. So
Okay,
5
ma'am.
e to the power 5x we have here, and we can write this cos over sine having same angle, that is cot e to the power 5x. So this is the dy over dx by using chain rule.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Ma'am,
so
can you give
now
few
we'll,
questions on
yeah,
this
tell,
topic? Can you give few
yeah,
questions on this topic? Hello.
sure, sure, you can send me if you have.
Ma'am, no, no. Can you give me a question to solve?
Sure, sure, I'll give you as a practice sheet. Okay, I'll give you.
Sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
And we can do the next method, means when we have variable to the power variable. Okay, means by using by taking log on both sides.
Okay,
Remember?
ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, let us do. Like if we have y is equal to x to the power x. Okay. If we have x to the power any constant value, right? Right. Then we can use this formula x to the power n, derivative of this. But when we have variable to the power variable, then how can we differentiate it? Let us know. In this case, when we have variable to the power variable, then we'll use, mean we taking log on both sides. So after taking log on both sides, we have log y is equal to log x to the power x. By using log property, log m raised to the power n, we use here power n log m. By using this property of log, then we can write this power here and log x. And here we have log y. So now differentiate it. How? D over dx of log y is equal to d over dx of x log x. We'll do by using product rule this, because we have two functions. One is x and another one is log x. So let us do it. And because and we'll differentiate it. First of all, we'll use formula of log. Then we'll take dy over dx, right? As let us differentiate it. Log y, writing 1 upon y into dy over dx. Got it? Got this step? Are you getting this?
Yes, ma'am.
Because we have y is a function of x, and if we have like any function left hand side of y, then first of all we'll use the formula of that function. Then we'll write by using chain rule dy over dx. Okay. Now let us differentiate right hand side by using product rule. Write on first function derivative of second function, and plus second function into derivative of sec sorry second function into derivative of first function, that is x. So 1 upon y dy is equal to 1 upon y dy over dx is equal to, let us see, x log x is x and log x is 1 upon x by using formula, and we have here log x and into derivative of x is 1 here. So let us simplify it. We can cut them, and we have 1 here and plus log x, and this is 1 upon y dy over dx. What we need, only dy over dx. So take it 1 upon y on right side by using cross multiplication. Dy over dx is equal to y in bracket 1 plus log x. And value of y is, what is value of y? Take from the question, this is. So take it, x to the power x. Writing here, right here, x to the power x instead of y, and this is 1 plus log x. And this is the dy over dx. Got it?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Yeah.
can we end class here?
Pardon?
Because my can we end class here?
Your voice is not so clear. Can you write me on WhatsApp?
Yes, ma'am. I'm texting you.